I think this probably isn't the first time I've seen it. I've looked through this book 500 times. But I love this painting. I want to paint this. And how controversial would it be if I did title it Negro with giraffe or like whatever I put here? Okay, so we are not allowed to say certain words, and it's getting to the point where we can't say a lot of words. So I'm just going to play with that. I'm really going to push the boundaries, and I'm going to appropriate that artwork because we can't say Negro, and I'm going to title it like that. And I'm going to put like a clock in the back, and it's going to be like a statement of time, even though I don't believe in time. I'm just putting the finished version here, so look away if you don't want to see it. But for those who want to skip ahead, check it out. I hope you enjoy watching it. These are my paintings outside. I'm just like, can you drive faster? I'm in the mood to paint, and I can't paint if they're wet. So I'm gonna look at this. Here it is. Okay, so it's somewhat a square. No one's gonna say the name of that artwork, and I want people to say the name of that artwork. And this one, square? Say the name. 56 by 47, that's really close to square, and this is not. I'm just gonna appropriate the exact thing, but I'm gonna do my little spots and stuff. That looks like 54. It's that many centimeters off. I think that's good enough. Oh my god, I just realized this is the wrong corner. Just do the whole thing browny grey first then. I have no doubt I'm struggling with spacing. I'm so used to making like big things in small spaces, but this is like small things in small space. This is difficult. So the head needs to be tiny. It needs to be like this big. There's a little monkey here. Okay, I think I've got the spacing. This is gonna be one fucking challenge, okay? I love this bird. Look at its face. It looks like it's like his face looking back at him. The monkey? Man. David put some effort into this. Mine might look a little less gremlin. Lol. I chose to do that the slow way. I didn't want to waste any. This is perfect. I think I got it exact. Yeah? Oh, I need to remember mine's shorter. Oh, okay. I've got the brown going. I think I'll have to cut it off like here to make it. I like the bricks, but if I cut it off here, it just... Yeah. I tried making this darker, but that's a later problem. I'm wondering if I should just like try Da Vinci style and do really thin layers until like it's detailed. Okay, I left my phone in charge, but this is what it looks like now. This technique is so fucking easy. This is like Da Vinci was onto something. I don't like it because I don't like it. I just don't like it. I don't like being... See that? I don't like it. I like thick paint, but it's easy. I fucked up a bit. That's okay. So I think white. Yeah, that looks about right. Identical. I think I've got that bit. I think I've got that bit down. Almost, not really. I've been looking at these. They're not even anyway. But I was like, I'm pretty sure, so I've got the head right, and then I've got these right, and one of these is half of that. Right? This is one thumb, then that's half the thumb. For some reason, these look wider, and I was like, okay. Oh, I've done these too big. Oh, this makes sense, because it starts... Wait, no, I've done this wrong. Doesn't matter. Gosh, I don't know the spacing on this. Okay, so one monkey head up. Spacing is definitely off, but I'm in way too deep. Okay, so I've been wondering this for a day, and I just did the research. This is a cockatoo. That's very clearly a cockatoo, but he's in Sweden, and he has a Swedish title, and that makes him a surrealist. I find that really, really interesting, and I really want to know why he has a cockatoo in the painting. He didn't even travel to Australia. You know what? I bet this is a made-up bird too. I'm gonna Google Lens that. I was looking up birds. I was trying to find that bird with the crest, and I couldn't find it. There's like a shitload of birds, and then I went to this little wormhole of like albino animals. Anyway, so it turns out the rich would just take peacocks around because they wanted them as pets. Okay, David Clocker, Ehrenstrahl. Probably because he was in a castle or something, he was with the royals or something. He has a title. Anyway, so his people probably staunched a bird from Australia, and that's why it's in the painting, I reckon. Okay, I figured out where the perspective went wrong, and this ring, it's all the correct sizes, but because it's a rectangle, that's where shit went wrong. Between here and here, it had to be double the length. Oops. Wrong color. Wrong color. Definitely the wrong color. Fuck yeah. Fuck yeah. Looks good. Look at it looking good. Yeah? Yeah. Spacing is definitely off. It's as if this is further closer. It's like come here loop with animals on it. Okay, I've finally understood what's going on here. This is far too left compared to this one, but I've just realized the hand. Whereas I've painted it over here, which is why I've got this problem. I bet if we looked at the original artwork, this bird just looks a bit rough from here. It looks really rough. This is not what I would do. I'm so over this artwork. I'm just gonna wrap it up because that doesn't look good, because that doesn't look good. I'm finding this artwork really annoying. I'm finding it really annoying. I do have the skills to make it perfect, but like, I guess I could. Fuck it, nah. This is what's annoying me. I want to kind of like be in their shoes as I painted this, so I did really thin layers. You can still see the canvas and like the undercoat, so I did that, but I just find that a really annoying way to paint, because when I want to do extra layers, it's annoying. Here, I'll show you. This artwork, I did it nice and thick the way I like it, and see how I could like, everything's very well defined. This won't reflect my best skill set. I think I'm really fucking over this artwork. It makes me annoyed to paint it. Da Vinci can have one. I've abandoned it. Okay, that's enough of that for now. Done. I am disappointed in it, but if I do this, I'm not as disappointed in it. There was part of me that really wanted to like blur this because the original didn't look the nice way that I would paint birds. Like I like to paint birds really, really clean like that. David's version is still better because that was his style, so. Yeah, it's okay. It's alright. The face is okay. It's not perfect. It's fine. Someone will like it.